Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video, if you want to make some extra cash or some extra pocket money or some extra money to pay bills or buy groceries with, then you want to stick around and see this, particularly if you're a stay-at-home mom or a teenager. Any of you guys can make money with this, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get right on that. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said earlier in the intro, we're going to do a video on a site today where you can make some extra pocket cash, money for bills and maybe groceries or whatever you want to do with. Some easy way to make money from home, okay? Alright, so if this is your first time here and you've been here before yet too and you still have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here, okay? All right, also, and it's your first time here, well, what we do here is we do videos on how-to videos. We do anything to do with making money online videos to help you make money. And once in a while, we'll throw in a motivational video, and we also do affiliate marketing videos, okay? All right, well, in today's video here, I found a website here. It's really pretty good. It runs along the line of surveys. They do surveys and lots of other things. If we come over here, the site we're going to talk about here today is called superpay.me. That is their web address. See it right up here in the upper left corner here. Superpay.me. And they say you can make money online with free paid surveys and more today. Fast payments within 24 hours, low cash out threshold, work from home, promo codes and cash contests, free paid surveys and offers, 20 cents to join, free to join, 20 cents to join, sign up for their site, I guess. And there's a generous referral program too, so there's an affiliate element to this too, where you can refer your friends and stuff, and you get paid a portion of money for signing them up under your affiliate link, okay? And they deal with PayPal, so that you can get paid at PayPal, Tango, and you can get Amazon cards, and Squirrel will pay. You can also pay in Bitcoin as well. It says here they've paid out over $2 million to their members so far. All right, and I tell you here about earning cash. We'll reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, and get paid the same day. And you can earn points for watching videos, take part in paid trials, surveys, and offers to earn points. And I think I'll show you here in a little bit. 1 point is worth, what is it, 1 penny, I think, like that. So 100 points is $1, right? And then you can earn free gift cards, like I said, I showed you here with Amazon. And it says how to earn money and gift cards with taking part in free paid surveys and more. The paid surveys take part in market research surveys and get rewarded, which I'm sure you get. A lot of people have seen these type of sites before too. And you work from home at any location and time that suits you. There's no contract. There's nothing to sign. Nothing. You're not expected to do anything at any certain time. This is not a job. This is your own business, basically. And it says superpay.me helps you to make money online quickly and easily. And we've paid out over $2 million to our members since 2012. So they've been around for a few years here. And it says our members love our platform as we issue all verified payments in just a few hours with a low cash out threshold and to provide quick support. And then you get some reviews going on here. Person here says, love the site, so glad I found it. And that was posted a couple of days ago. And another one talks about, I love this site much better than similar ones I've tried. They always pay in a timely manner. And it's a great site, easy to use. Website is an amazing way to earn money. And the best website to earn money and learn about different topics, this person says. So if I come back up here and click on how it works, get a little bit more information on here. Yeah, you can join for free today. It says quick and easy registration. Complete your registration in less than 2 minutes and receive a 20-cent bonus for signing up. And you can take part in surveys and offers and then get paid. Over 90% of our payments are paid within 8 hours by PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill, or exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used for popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. And they've got all kinds of ways to make money. Now, if I come over here to frequently asked questions, they'll show you right here, like, what are points worth? So it says earning cash and points. So we click on here, like I was telling you earlier, 1 point is equivalent to a penny, and 100 points then is equal to $1. So if you had 1,000 points, then you'd have $10, right? And so on and so forth from there, as you can see. And and then there's some other questions about it down through here, but then there's other questions down here, offers and offer walls. They'll post offers for you, and you decide whether you want to work with them or not, or fill out the offer, or probably the same way with surveys and whatnot, so on and so forth. And then here's the affiliate marketing element of it right here. It tells about it. How do you refer members? You get using referral links and banners. You can get banners and stuff. We click over to the referral, so you got to be signed up to do that. But yeah, you just say you'll have an affiliate link, and then you just paste that anywhere on social media, on your Facebook page, or uh, Instagram, or Pinterest, or some places like that. Anywhere you want to post it, classified places, and get other people, help them make money too, and you get paid a certain portion of money for helping them, right? So it's a good thing. And then it tells a little bit more about it. But now, if we come back to the frequently asked questions, um, what I wanted you to pay attention to is right here. There's one question right here. It's this number 7 up here under membership issues. How can you cancel your account? And if you forgot your login information and so on and so forth. And this one right here says, why is my account marked as a cheater? Okay, so if we click on that, and it says, why is my account marked as a cheater? And it says there are many reasons why your account can be marked as cheater. The most common reasons are listed below. One, our fraud detection system has detected that you're using multiple accounts. So you don't want to come here and sign up for, you don't want to have 3 people in your household sign up for an account on here on the same IP address. That'll get you banned. Our fraud detection has detected you're using a known cheater proxy IP address or a range of IP address. You failed our telephone verification process, and you've changed your internet ISP connection from one country to another. What they're telling you there, from one country to another, is if you're using a VPN, don't use any VPN software to sign up to this website, okay? Excuse me, because they'll pick up on that, and that'll get you banned. So you just don't want to use any. That seems to be right down here. This number 7 one says you're using an anonymous IP address. Well, that's synonymous with VPN software. So just make sure you're not using VPN. You're using your IP address so that they know that you have one account coming from one primary IP address. Okay. So that's what I wanted to point out to you there. You just want to make sure you don't get your account marked as a cheater, and that could get you, banned from the site, and you don't want to do that because you won't be able to make any money anymore, right? So, but and there's some payment proof here. As you can see, like I said here, it talks about what they paid and stuff here, and then there's payment proof going on right here. These people were just recently, like today's the 15th, and these people just got paid here. And so it looks like most people are using PayPal. Yeah, it's way to go. There's a couple people on here I saw earlier. I was on here. There's a couple people had over $100 that they built up on this account and got paid. So as you can see, there's a couple $50 ones, $20, $10, 16, another $50 one, 49 or whatever. And so yeah, A lot of people like this site. There's over 821,000 members of this site right now, and they've paid out over $2 million. So that's since 2012. Right? So and you can find them on Facebook and Twitter, and click here to learn how to make money online, super payment surveys if you're a new member. Yeah, just come here to superpay.me, and then you can join for free right up here at the upper right. Just click on that, and you can fill out the little application thing here and join for free. All righty. All right, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. Is this great website here where you can make some extra cash and pay your bills with, or go out to dinner with, or whatnot, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for coming today. Hey, don't forget to check out my #1 recommended business down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. And if you read the little paragraph above that link, you'll see what all you get for checking that out, too, even for free. Okay. Also, don't forget about I got a new website up. It's called Affiliate Marketing Video Tube. It's a website to do with all affiliate marketing. And all the videos are all about from the top marketers on the internet, where you can watch where they'll teach you and train you. There's courses. We got them in categories and so on and so forth. And it's called freedommotivator.com's affiliate marketing video tube site. Okay, and I'll have the link down there below in the description too. You can click on that and come over and take a look at that too as well. And it's all free, no cost for any of it. Okay. All righty, guys, great. I'll see you again here in a couple days on the next video. Check out my other links down there. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And if you like this video, click the like button down there for me too. And I'll see you guys here and again in a couple days on the next video, okay? See you later. Bye-bye now.